am. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Hibbett Sports. And it's crazy. It's been it's been a year since they sponsored me or whatever. So shouts out to y'all for, just letting me be me. Like, it's crazy. And I also want to start doing more videos every week. And my next video is going to be how to become a brand influencer or a brand ambassador. So that's the next video. But let's get into this unboxing. So you can see the box say Hibbett Sports. God, they got bubble wrap for days on this thing. Making sure the box is in pristine condition. But yeah, in my hand, most of y'all sneakerhead probably know what I got in my hand, but some of y'all don't. And I don't. I might do, but I don't. You feel me? So, yeah, by the box, you see the, the elephant print at the bottom. You already know what it might be, and the condition of the box is, it's good. I really don't care about the box, but most of the people I subscribe to on YouTube usually have, their comments about the box, but it really don't matter to me. Shoot, I got in my own little world for a second, but I swear to God, these hard. I swear to God. Let me stop swearing to God, but these are cold. They look better in person than what I've seen online. And this colorway is called the Varsity Royal Blue 3s, I think. I've seen many different names on YouTube for this, but I'm gonna go with the Varsity Royal Blue 3s. And they come with, 2 laces. They have black, three laces. They have black, white, and blue. And I think I'm gonna just keep the black one, but I might, change it up and put either the white ones on the on the right shoe. I don't know. I'm gonna just play with it later on. But I really love this colorway because it's vibrant. It's like the colors that I really rock with. I love royal blue is my second, not royal blue, but blue is like my second favorite color. And then this shoe is so bold because it's like the whole shoe is blue. It's crazy. It's not an OG colorway, but still, I really like this shoe. And I have a lot of, fits that can, flow with this shoe. So we're gonna check it out at the end of the video. I'll do a little lookbook on foot for y'all. But yeah, by the leather condition, most people like to, check out the leather. The leather on this shoe is kind of hard compared to the UNC 3s, but the quality is there. And around this part, I think it's the upper toe. It's soft. The leather on this soft compared to like the wrinkly elephant print style, the elephant skin feel, leather that's on the top of the shoe. And then for the elephant print around the toe box, usually, on my UNC 3s, that elephant print is kind of like a tan color, but on these it's gray, like light gray. I don't see really no tan, but it could be my eyes, you feel me? But some people were saying it had that tan look to the UNC 3s, but I don't know. But yeah, I really like this shoe. I really vibes with it. I want to thank y'all for sending me this. Like I'm telling you, I'm gonna rock the bottom, I'm gonna rock the soles off of these. I'm gonna rock the soles off of these shoes. But yeah, let's get into this other unboxing. I'm gonna bring this shoe back up, but let me get into this other unboxing video. I think I said unboxing video, the other unboxing. I forgot to tell y'all that I was unboxing two packages from Hibbett Sports. And my other one is right here. So, in my hand, well, you can just tell by the box, like it's different. Like I never seen, you know, Nike have a box with color. Like most of the box be that red, that orange red color with the big Nike logo in the middle. Like it's square, but this box right here is rectangular. And then the Nike logo is like on the left hand corner. So yeah, it's dope. Let's go get into it. Let's open it and see what it is. Yes, sir. So in my hands, I'm already looking. In my hands, I have the Royal Blue Air Max 90s. I think it's the Royal Blue Air Max 90s. And they look better. They look better in person than online, because I was kind of trying to figure out, should I cop these or should I leave them? Should I, you know, cop or drop? But I was like, dang, let me go and cop these. And that thing, I know Hibbett sent me a Royal Blue, some Royal Blue 3s, and I'm like, what the world? But I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. And these both of these shoes are, you know, designed by Tinker Hatfield. I think this man. Weird last name, but this man has done so much, like designed so many shoes for Jordan, from the 3s to I think the Jordan 15. Tinker Hatfield like designed most of Jordan's shoes, and he designed these Air Max 90s. I think I gotta do my research. I think he designed more Air Max 90, more Air Max 2, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to check it out. But yeah, from, you know, on this shoe right here, I think it's had 2 different textures. It has the leather, it has the suede, and then it has the mesh up here on the toe box. And I really vibes with it. I feel like I can rock this shoe. And I haven't seen this in so long. I don't even know the name of this. Comment at the bottom if you know the name of what this called. I be calling it dog tag. Like all my life, I be like, oh, this is a little Nike dog tag thing. But I really want to know what the real name for this. But yeah, I'm ready to kind of rock this shoe. Like, these Air Max 90s are classics anyway. Like, just rocking these made me feel like I'm in the 90s. So this shoe right here, if I had to rate it, I'd give it a 7 or 8, you know, right around that range. Because I really don't, this is my second pair of Air Max 90s, and I didn't wear it. I still have those. I still have the pair of Air Max 90s, but I don't really wear them. Like, they don't get nowhere because they're that weak color. The only time you can really wear a weak color is in the fall and winter. So but yeah, let me pick up the other shoe. Let me pick up the 3s. Yes, sir. So yeah, I have 2 Royal Blue shoes in my hand, you know, so now I gotta add 2 Royal Blue shoes to my collection. But now I gotta cop some with some red, because, you know, me and red, like, it's my favorite color. Everything red, real. But yeah, shouts out to Hibbett. You can cop these right here. You can cop these shoes on the Hibbett site or the app for $102. It's an odd number, but you can cop them today. I think they still have your size. Well, they had my size, but I think they still have many other sizes in this shoe. And for these shoes drop October 10th, so Saturday. Y'all need to get y'all ticket. Y'all better get y'all ticket, because I honestly feel like these gonna sell out. So get the app, get the Hibbett City Gear app, and cop you some Royal 3 Blue. Hey, what is VARSITY Royal Blue 3s? Yeah, I think I got the name right. Don't copy some. And you know. So I want to see how y'all put, you know, if y'all caught this shit, I want to see how y'all put y'all outfit together. So, you know, you can message me with y'all pictures or whatever, and I post it in my next video, or I post it on my story on Instagram. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna get into this lookbook. So I catch y'all on the flip side.
Is this free?
You can follow me on my Instagram page, which is Will Got Heat, and on my clothing brand page, which is Reheated. So let's get to it, fam. Like, let's get these followers up. Let's get these subscribers up. And I'll be posting every week, so just stay tuned.